Once you click save, you get this screen. Congratulations, your campaign is ready.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
Review your campaign settings, everything's okay, and then you just say continue to your campaign, and then it's going to show you that standard campaign. It's essentially your first campaign. It's eligible, and it's going to start running. Check back in here. Every once in a while, it might say something like not approved or something like that. So just you want to check here. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pause it because I don't want to run it. This is just for us. But you see, it's very straightforward to set up this ad. And also in this course, we talk about how to make an ideal promotional video and different kinds of videos even. So the best way to use this course is to make sure that your videos that you're going to be using are super effective at selling whatever it is you're trying to sell or promote. And that is covered in the rest of the course.